Hello my trainees, here is your macho doll and her monster biceps. I would like to just share something with you, what I really believe, and I would like to know if you have the same opinion. I really believe everything's happened for a reason, and always when I go through some hard time or I have problems, I try repeating this sentence, everything happened for a reason, and actually later you're gonna realize it was for your good. It's for good reason, it's always help. I'm not gonna be telling you now my problems or I was going through hard time, but if you're going some through hard time now, if you're going through some problem, just believe it, everything's happened for reason, and it's actually gonna going somewhere for good reason, because I've been through very hard time, and it was very difficult for me believe it was kind of for good reason, but I see it happened for good reason, and if actually these bad things didn't happen, I wouldn't have this good what's happening. So really, if you now, like my friend, now it's going through hard time, just believe it. Everything's happened for reason and for good reason. You're gonna see it. You don't see it now, but it's coming. And I remember even though my mom, she was telling me, Simona, you will see in 1 year you're gonna see totally different way, and really in 1 year or even though 1 week it can be totally something different. And so I really remember when my mother, she was telling me in 1 year it's gonna be different, and it is. So believe everything's happened for a reason, so everything's gonna be all right. Okay. So it was advice from Macho Doll, and I will see you with more videos soon, okay? Here is kiss, sweet kiss, and see you soon. Bye bye.